This is Richard Rost with Computer Learning Zone. It's time for another video rewind, which is a quick recap of my recently released videos. To watch any of the videos mentioned, just visit my website. We learned how to select the top X records, top 10 records, top 20 records in a Microsoft Access query with numbered rows. We learned how to change the date using little buttons in Microsoft Access so we can click on them to go up or down a day or a week or whatever. I showed you how to move windows around on your screen with keyboard shortcuts. This is great if you got a multi-monitor setup and you move a window where you can't get to it with the mouse. I taught you a little trick to make your forms seem to load faster to the user by using a timer event. I released a new template that'll allow your Access databases to open exactly where you want them on your screen. So if you got 2 or 3 different databases that you work with, you can have one that opens up over here, another one that opens up over there, and when they open up next time, they'll remember where they were. This is my save position template. We learned how to prevent accidental edits and deletions by requiring users to go into edit mode. So if the user wants to change the data on the current record, they've got to click a little button that says edit, and then they can click a little button that says save or cancel to cancel those edits or save them. Lots of new users don't understand that when they type in stuff in Access, it's editing that record. You don't have to save it like you do with Word or Excel. I showed you how to prorate stuff. We calculate prorated rent in Microsoft Access. So if someone's moving out on the 10th of the month, how much rent do they owe you for those 10 days? We learned how to calculate leap years, determine if a particular year is a leap year using the isDate function. We learned to count how many times a string occurs inside another string. I finally finished Microsoft Access Developer Level 41, which includes form zooming in and out. A lot of people ask about that one. Anchoring, and the form on error event. We learned how to use an expression in conditional formatting. This allows you to use functions and do all kinds of crazy stuff like see if a string occurs inside the field. We learned how to do a double lookup in Excel. That's when you're looking up a value based on multiple criteria, not just a single cell. And then I showed you how to do the same thing in Microsoft Access, a double lookup, using a DLOOKUP with multiple criteria, and or. That's it for my videos. Don't forget to check Mike Wolf's Week in Review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, follow, subscribe, thumbs up, and all that good stuff. And if you want to learn more about anything I mentioned today, visit my website at computerlearningzone.com. And of course, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Access, be sure to sign up for my free 4-hour Access course, accesslearningzone.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.